Green and red lights touching the soul, and I want you to see it all. I'm so excited about the show, and I want you